Hi and welcome to another Type with me. In today's video I want to talk about JavaScript Devs meet Promise.try. Promise.try is something new that is baseline within the major browsers, and I just want to touch this that, like, for example, baseline is a very promising and interesting concept, and we are going to dive into what Promise.try is. So baseline is something that is very important to look at. Certain elements, if I can go to other one, it's like, hey, baseline widely available, and you see here Promise.try here is newly available, and if you open this, you see since January 2025 this feature works across the latest devices and browser versions. This feature might not work in older devices or browsers. So again, very interesting to see, and that's also the reason why I want to tackle this one, because it's a new one and I think it's a very nice one and a powerful one to start using. So if we're going to look into how this looks like, well, you have something like this, a new promise, and then you have a resolve, and a resolve that can be having a callback, right? And here we have the Promise.try, and then we can directly give it a callback. So it's easier to write. So if we have here a callback, and I'm going to just create something like this, callback, and then this is just a function, right? And we can do console.log callback, and you can give it also values, right? What you could do right here is a plus b, I don't know, and it will do that. And what you could do then is right here 1, 2, and this will work, right? But then you have a problem with this one, because it also needs a and b, right? And what we could do then is have something like this. We can do this, right? And we can then also do 1 and 2, but then you have not a lot of differences between this one. So what we also could do, and I think that's just a little bit of a better approach, is this one. You can do callback 1, 2, and this will also work. It can be that you sometimes want to return a promise and you want to resolve it right away, or you want to break your promise and you want to use callbacks like you have right here. Callbacks have a big history within the web, and I think it's interesting to have a very clean and easy way to go and use Promise.try. So what we could do then is something like this, which is, I think, nicely to go for. So you have your callback, you have your parameters right here, and then you have a .then, a catch, and a finally. Or you could do very easily following thing as well, right? I'm going to do this away, and I'm gonna put something like this, value equals weight, and you could do something like this, which is also very nice. It's easy to read and to handle. And all we want to have is easy to read, very nice and clean APIs and code, right? So with this, I think it's a huge improvement, and I like it. So Hope you like it as well. Hope you're gonna use this into your code. Keep in mind that it's newly available, so you need to give it some time so that more browsers and more platforms will adopt this, and that you can start using this within your day-to-day JavaScript code. So again, nice way to use Promise.try instead of Promise.resolve within the callback. So it's an improvement of this within the Promise API. So hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you can do something with it. Leave in the comments below something that you think like, hey, this is in my opinion a very strong argument to go to Promise.try, and then we can have some kind of a debate out of it, right? If you would like. So thank you very much. See you next time.